Hello, I created a lesson about how teachers can help their students become better and successful learners and how they can develop 21st century skills. In order to create this lesson, I thought of an overall question to go off of, which is how can students develop 21st century skills and what are some challenges of not obtaining these skills? I made two separate lists, and the first list is how can they develop 21st century skills, and I thought of some ideas, and they are being taught information that is more focused. So, in a specific class, like maybe in a history class, it would be easier for students to learn on a central topic first instead of learning an overall idea. Also, having teachers that are insistent about information that is created to reach an ending goal and not only to learn the information for a short amount of time. Also, I think that it's important that states and school districts make sure that their teachers are correctly and properly trained, which means that they should be digitally literate. And we will go over that later. And then taking assessments that can precisely test through that can precisely test tough tasks and challenge more advanced learning and critical thinking. Some challenges of not obtaining these skills is when students learn information, they are oftentimes a little bit immature to what they are taught. So they need several examples and different approaches to fully comprehend this information. And sometimes teachers don't really know how to teach self-direction or collaboration or creativity as well as they know how to teach basic lessons such as how to write a proper sentence or how to do addition. And then working in groups will help develop these skills. Some ways teachers can help or can teach 21st century skills is I made a few bullet points about how they can do this. The first bullet point is by stimulating creativity and student learning. How can they do this? They can use their knowledge on a specific topic and they can inspire creativity and collaboration both non-digitally and digitally, and this is important because students should be able to work both on the computer or on any type of technology and while working in groups or by themselves not using technology. And then stimulating creativity and collaboration digitally will also help benefit students because a lot of classroom work is done on the computer or more digitally based. And then we're here at being how to be digitally literate, and it is extremely crucial in the times that we are in now. And digital literacy is when a person is able to use information and technologies to evaluate or present information. Being digitally literate and demonstrating digital literacy is another way, just back to this, how some ways teachers can teach 21st century skills. They can do this by they have to be digitally literate to be able to access and work technology in a knowledgeable and successful way. They should be able to use their expertise while using technology systems since many things are now digital. And if students don't become digitally literate, they will have trouble succeeding in the world. And then the last bullet point is integrating both communication and collaboration into the classroom. And how could they do this? By combining both digital and non-digital environments to work together, both separately and in groups. Which I have right here, working in groups in the classroom or online virtually. And this is some ways teachers can teach their students how to develop 21st century skills and how to be successful in the classroom.